Hello again, hope you're all well out there. Well, that's good. I'm good as well, thank you. Certainly much better than my last video. I've managed to make a decent fix of it and I'm quite happy with the end result, so I'll show you that in a different video. Today we are talking about fixing a skirt I made barely a year ago. It's a lovely rayon, blossom covered fabric. I made a circle skirt out of it. Thought I'd got all the stretch bias out. Was I wrong? Yeah, don't ever hang up rayon. Always fold it and put it away nicely in a box or a shelf. Yeah, so that's the fix. It's a little bit warped in quite a lot of places, but I have a cheeky little fix. I'm going to just chop off all the unevenness, and knowing that I'm going to lose a little bit of length, I've got a whole length of this stretch fabric, not fabric, stretch lace, which I'm going to put at the bottom, just to cheat myself out a little bit extra. So I'm giving myself maybe an inch in parts, just to make it a little bit decent. Why am I doing this now? Because I want to wear it on Saturday. I'm off out with the other half. I'm going out for a nice meal, and I thought I haven't worn the skirt for ages. I need to really fix that. So let's see, how quickly can I get this fixed? So I've got to unpick all the original lace, got to neaten it up, and then I've got to sew it back on. So will I do it in an evening? Here is the skirt in question. Isn't it lovely? Really nice spring vibes, and we're coming up to spring. A lesser spotted Bertie, but as you can see, this is a circle skirt. This is as even as I can make it, and it's warped quite badly in parts. So as I say, I'm going to unpick this little bit of lace and neaten it all up, and then add that lace. Probably reattach this lighter lace. I think that looks quite nice. I think it softens the dark grey against the dark grey, just gives it a little bit more interest. And yeah, let's see if I can do it. The time is currently 5:30. Yeah. What do you think, Bertie? Think I can do it?
Me so hungry.
There's support for you. good time. I'm quite pleased with this. Yay! Swish, swish, swish. Yeah, I quite like the look of it. It's a little uneven, but hey, what can you do? Apart from doing a better job, I guess, but this is what sewing's all about. Anyway, I really like it. Hopefully this won't stretch any further, but you know what? I'm not so fussed about it. I think it looks alright. Yeah. Let's have a little bit more of a close-up though. So look at that lace. And those legs. Sexy. But no, I really like it. I think the lace looks really pretty. I bought it from McCulloch and Wallace. And I think it suits it really, really well. Yeah. So I'm really pleased with it. Like I said, I probably could do better with the hemline, but to be honest, if anyone's going to be measuring my hemline, I think we've got a few issues, wouldn't you say? Exactly. So, well, I think all that's all left to say is thank you very much. This has been a Crazy Cat Lady production, and you've been watching an unoriginal idea. Take care, guys. Yeah.